Hello everybody, KG here, founder of the Internet Money Crypto Wallet. Today, we are showcasing a security feature within the Internet Money Wallet on Android, iOS, and Chrome. This feature is very important because it helps users prevent what many people make as a common mistake in the crypto space. And that is sending their crypto assets to a contract address rather than the destination address they actually wanted to send their crypto to. So, to see how we've helped our users mitigate against this common mistake, let's jump into the video.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it. Can't let them take this from me.
Here we are within the Internet Money Wallet on our Chrome extension. Now, this is going to be the same exact experience whether you're using the Android, iOS, or Chrome app. This security feature is very simple and quick to show you. The most common way that a user will make this mistake is they will actually copy the address of a crypto asset itself and send their crypto assets to that address. Now, there's many ways that a user may send their crypto assets to a contract address, but the one I just described is the most common. So I will show you what it looks like when you're sending to a valid public address. Click on send, paste the address in here, and click next. It allows me to go through. Now let's take a look at what happens if you are trying to send to a contract address and not a valid public address. Click on send, paste the contract address, and click next. You're going to be presented with this message that says the address you are sending to is a contract address. If you send your assets here, you will likely lose them. You then have to click I understand, and we issue a second warning to make sure that you truly understand. By clicking continue, you are accepting the likelihood of losing your assets. When you click on continue, it'll then allow you to proceed. Now there's two notes here. One, we did not want to restrict the ability for users to send their crypto assets to a contract address. In the world of DeFi, there are valid reasons to do this. And the Internet Money Wallet propagates financial freedom and not financial control. And point number two is it's important that we stressed the likelihood of a user losing their assets. Because 99 out of 100 times, if you send your tokens or your crypto assets to a contract address, there is no way to recover them. And this isn't just true for the Internet Money Wallet. This is the nature of how blockchain operates. I hope you enjoyed and learned something in today's security education. Remember, when you're out there navigating the world of DeFi, the world of financial freedom, it comes with the responsibility to make sure that you are handling your assets responsibly. And so before you click that send button, always make sure that your assets are going to the right place. Take the extra second to verify rather than ending up in a place where you've lost your crypto. Until next time, my name is KG. I'm the founder of the Internet Money Crypto Wallet. Peace.
Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it.